So hello guys, assalamu alaikum. So welcome to my channel. So today I'd like to talk about Cosmopolitan and Metropolitan. You all know that Cosmopolitan and Metropolitan. So today I'd like to versus them and gonna talk about something about Cosmopolitan and Metropolitan. So I'd like to jump with Cosmopolitan. Cosmopolitan refers to a country like various peoples are coming from various country. There is also known as Dhaka. Dhaka is also known as the cosmopolitan cities because the foreigners from different countries from the world are coming to Bangladesh. The Bangladesh having a great hosting for the world, and people are excited to visit Dhaka because Dhaka has a great culture in Bangladesh, and we all know that Dhaka is the capital city in Dhaka in Bangladesh. Dhaka is also known as a lot of things, but today I'd like to talk about cosmopolitan. So cosmopolitan is known as the Greek word, and this word is only refers to the different peoples from different world. So if you wanna learn cosmopolitan in one sentence, we can say the various people, various country. When they came to a country, the country is known as a cosmopolitan country. Our city, there is also known as cities and countries also. And the cosmopolitan cities are, we all know that Mumbai, Delhi, London and Los Angeles a lot. And there is also the largest cosmopolitan city in the world is Tokyo. It is now on Japan, and it's a very much interesting. So now I'm gonna jump to the metropolitan. Metropolitan refers in these countries or own countries densely populated urban core, and it means a metropolitan cities is only refers to the densely population, and this is all about cosmopolitan and metropolitan. Let me talk about one sentence in metropolitan. Metropolitan in one sentence would like to be when our countries or own self have a densely populated urban core, the country is known as a metropolitan country. So the metropolitan cities are, we all know that Mumbai and Dhaka and Delhi and Osaka, a lot of countries are Mumbai are known as a metropolitan. So this is all about metropolitan and cosmopolitan. I hope you learned something from my video. So goodbye.